walking up the long steps to get into the Tower of St. Peter's. They're extremely narrow. It's really good. Hello. Hello. I've only done 2 flights. I'm already panting. Like, look how narrow these things are. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hopefully I can make this video not terribly long, but I like to film the whole walk up. If I can make it. It's hot in here too. It's hot. It's humid. These very narrow and steep stairs. Oh yeah, I'm not sweating. I'm just glistening. Oh my. This is my workout for the day. Hallo, Entschuldigung. Hallo. 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 Okay. Hallo, Entschuldigung. That's the only word that I know, is excuse me. Oh, hello. Entschuldigung. Okay. Whenever somebody's coming towards me, I have to move over. Because it's only one person passable. And I have my phone screen facing me, so I have to turn it away so I don't weird people out and think I'm just filming them without them knowing, which I kind of am, but at least try not to be terribly too weird. Oh my gosh. I see. This whole tower was bombed out during the war. I was looking at pictures. Because what the bombs would do when they were dropped is they would land on the roof, destroy the roof, fall on the inside, and explode on the inside. So you would have shells of buildings. Oh. Hang on. Hello. 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 Okay. So anyway, it would drop the bombs, it would explode on the inside, demolish, destroy the inside, but the shell of the building, the exterior, would still generally be standing. So that's why a lot of the buildings in Germany, especially in Berlin, where it was like the heart of the chaos, but even here, because there were still bombings that happened here, you'll see a lot of very old looking buildings, Prussian, beautiful building, but you walk inside, and you'll find nothing of antiquity inside, not even a scrap of stone, just the walls, because they were just so utterly destroyed. The same with this church I'm in, actually, St. Peter's. It was very beautiful. It was rebuilt before the council. So it was rebuilt in That's Vatican II Council, in case anyone didn't catch it. It was rebuilt in 1951. So they rebuilt it, trying to stay as true as possible to the original design. And in 1951, they had a big party, a big block party, to celebrate the rededication of the tower that I just climbed with the top on it. And I made it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Holy cow. Oh my word. Oh, Entschuldigung.
Sorry, macht nichts.
It's pretty tight up here too. It's like I'm really high up. Wow. It's kind of frightening. Let me see if I can. Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung.
Yeah.
You can see Marienplatz. I think you can see it. Yeah, there's Marienplatz with the pillar with the Blessed Virgin Mary on top. There's the cathedral. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. And then there's the yellow church with the domes out in the distance. Theatiner Kirch. Wow. Just gotta make sure I don't drop my phone. Alright, I'm gonna take some photos now, so thanks for sticking with me on this journey.